Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Teams and signing in. Once done, click your profile photo in the top right. Then select Settings and choose Devices to land on Audio Controls. Make sure your headset or speakers and your microphone are connected and powered on, and check any inline mute switches. You're doing this now so Teams can list available devices. If a USB headset is new, give the OS a few seconds to install drivers before continuing. Next, you pick the exact devices. Choose your speaker and microphone from the drop-down menus, selecting headset versus system speakers depending on privacy needs. Then adjust the input and output volume sliders so your voice and incoming audio sit comfortably. You want clear sound without clipping. If Teams offers a high-fidelity or stereo option, enable it for music or richer audio. Most importantly, click Make a Test Call to record a short sample and listen back to confirm levels and clarity. Finally, fine-tune by enabling noise suppression and automatic gain control if background sound or varying volume is an issue. These help keep speech clear. If you experience stuttering, try changing the audio device driver mode or sample rate in the OS sound settings, and then reselect the device in Teams. If Teams still fails to detect or deliver sound, restart the app, unplug and replug the device, and confirm your OS allows microphone access. This quick restart resolves most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.